for the fight.
Are they in the league?
Jones is still here.
Is he one with the fight?
He's a good guy. I mean, he helps out a lot.
He looks just like Marshall.
Yeah, he can't do that. Blue guy too. Kevin Carter 3.
Oh, that's who we're trying to trade for.
Yeah. See? Oh man, we just got nobody that wants to bang in defense.
Finally, but...
tired, man.
Oh yeah, dude, I was off the game travel. I like her willingness to pass though. There's a ball movement where we're getting good shots. Is he still talking about the fight?
What was our final score?
Hold on. 105-74, I think.
Is that right?
Yeah. Calling out for video.
Huh? Yeah. We don't know everybody's names. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it.
I can start calling numbers out if you want me to.
Well, it takes an hour and a half to do the game. Yeah, I was up till 4:30. We got a bunch of alcoholics out here.
You let me guard Courtney and these guys are hard to shoot over. They may go around here.
Did you say let you guard Courtier?
Down low, down low, down low.
Yeah, but they just drive around me.
That's okay though. You didn't even try to go around me. Every time every one of those shots I contested. Get back, get back, get back. Oh! Tristan
Tristan doesn't call shit. He doesn't call shit at all. He missed that kick ball, man. I mean, it was like, boom. He didn't even hear it off his foot.
Who said he couldn't see it?
Assist.
One of the other ones should have seen it. Somebody had to come and see it. Everybody in the gym saw it.
It's a fucking perfect pass.
What?
I dropped it off right to Phil and he got kicked.
You got Auxilla base?
Chris, on the spot.
You got Auxilla stat page?
And one. way worse than 50%. These are misses.
Oh. I thought it stole a field goal.
There's no fucking way I was 50%. I was broke shit. I was 2 for 6 on threes. It's not horrible.
Mike has the most.
So do you live with these, or do you go back and check them?
Yeah, you gotta put these on online.
I mean, do you like live with them?
Damn, Phil, 0 for 6 on. You mean what? Do I take them home? 0 for 6 on the.
Do you like check the games and make sure they're right?
Hell no. Come on back. This is the official right here. You were 50%.
I've been shooting pretty good this season. I don't shoot much.
I'll take a couple of.
Man, shit. We wanted that guy. I called him the new Zach Barris.
You got those illegal shoes on now.
Huh?
It's illegal shoes.
You got illegal shoes on? What does that mean?
Those shoes are banned in the NBA.
Why?
There's like some sort of thing in them.
Who are they made by?
They're like ABG or something like that. My brother had a pair. They kind of hurt they gave me like shin splints with them.
Did they do anything though? I mean, is there a difference?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe. I mean, you could.
Found skates. You're shaking your head.
Shot the worst.
Yeah, but you were gunning and you needed to do it.
That was about 50%.
Hey, just play, man. We got it.
We got 10 people yelling.
I know.
Oh, you saw that one.
3-3.
You saw that
You know, I didn't even eat anything last night.
You didn't eat anything? What time did you get up this morning? I thought I saw you up pretty early for you.
Yeah, somebody knocked on the door.
Latter-day Saints.
You know, I got home, I woke up. No one's at the house right now, it's just me. I get up this morning, I look at the front door, it's wide the fuck. I just walked in the house, just left the door wide open.
Where you live at?
East side. I mean,
Probably shouldn't have the door open. That's funny shit, man.
oh wait, I just look at the door and go, holy shit.
We could have like a raccoon or something in your house.
Oh no, this whatever the security door, like the iron door.
Yeah, screen door.
Yeah, that was shut, but the front door was. The door with the deadbolt and shit on it. Wide open.
You playing college? The 9-minute thing. I keep forgetting about it.
I don't think you missed much. 6 to 6.
Yeah, I didn't think about that.
What?
That was your assist.
Yeah, wide open layup and you run backwards to your point, like, what is he doing? Like you said, it didn't matter. I was trying stat pad.
Oh, here it comes, here it comes. It's physical, man.
Get back, son!
All my shots I I want to blow my brains out when they didn't miss a three for the first fucking 25 minutes of the game.
They didn't have to do anything. Everyone! Come on!
Still.
You gotta make a dribble, man.
That 3-2 worked pretty good at the start, or the end of the first half. Against everybody but 48.
Hey, man! Terry!
Out of bounds, blue ball.
24.
Dude, we gotta take it out.
Very first year we used to do stats with a laptop, they got broken.
Act like you're gonna foul him.
Get back, get back!
Trying to get a good flop. John flop.
You're trying to get a picture of him doing it? Just keep the video on. That's Brandon Roy. Oh, he got fouled! Are you Instagramming it?
Thomas, 26.
Sorry.
Get up. Oh, yeah?
Hey, we're tired from getting a scheduled game before and game after hours doing stats every week.
Dumb looking ass.
I could just go like tap one on the floor.
Yeah. Get him there.
What was that last week?
Put it out. Get in there. Drive, Jeremy. Sup. Yes.
Free throw.
That sounded like a miss.
It's a free throw. He made it.
Both my free throws, right? No, that's
Two.
Are you serious? That is the only two free throws we had on the game. Oh my god, 2 free throws the entire game.
It doesn't matter. We shoot like 32% free throw as a team. I'd rather not waste opportunities.
I mean, we had 15 points. Blew up in our face.
B.
Foul on 8.
Yeah. Bacillus. It was Bacillus.
Fuck man, I'm thirsty. All I got is $100 bill.
Hey Chris. Dang. Who's that on? 5? No, it was Paul. I don't think it was on Paul though.
Riverboat, dude.
You going out tonight?
I've been doing pretty good. I haven't paid for anything the last 2 nights.
10?
2. Actually, last night was really fun. thought it was gonna be kind of dumb.
My guy Ford was there.
It was pretty cool. I mean, it was like the band.
Dribble!
There was no cover. It was the band. It was a band called Band, dude. But I mean, basically all they did was play cover songs.
Yeah, they're a party band. They're pretty big around Indy.
They did like rock songs. They did like 80 songs. They did a couple CeeLo songs, Outkast songs. They were playing everything. That's cool. There's a couple freaks there.
Bang! He didn't call it. It's a 2.
I'm not until I get this house, I'm not.
Where are you in a house with that? Left hand!
I had an interview on the north side, it went pretty well.
I saw that. Alright, interview Tuesday. Noblesville.
Real good.
Huh?
It's actually a really good position, actually. It's like probably a little bit out of my...
They don't know that though, right?
I'm not like I told him, there was like one question that I just kind of was like, I don't have any experience with it. But everything else is like, I mean, it was like 20 different things I asked questions about. Really well. I kind of turned down a position yesterday.
Did you?
It actually paid okay. I mean, it was the only thing was it was third shift. Third shift for like 6 months.
Computer stuff? Third shift? What? Airboat.
Well, let's do a third. He's like nights.
Yeah, don't keep it open. Let's dribble around.
But it was the same as what I was getting paid.
Same that you were getting paid your last job?
Yeah. The one at Duke. They don't pay well.
Duke Energy?
No.
Uh-oh. Tsos just blew his ACL, PCO, and MCO.
Duke, really.
Oh, Duke Realtor?
They're huge. They do like all the commercial real estate development and stuff. Pretty big place.
Hooper.
Flop.
Lack of flop's not bothering me. I think he might be sick.
Dominique, take the baseline.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Whoa! Who we got next? Yeah. No dead balls.
Come on, y'all. Hey, get Dominic. Get Dominic. Get Dominic. Hey, next dead ball, I need subs.
We need to figure out.
Wow.
Damn! We got hammered in. We need to figure out who's our scorers. Just went out then. He made Vasilios made both free throws. because it matters. Foul 11. Get back. Hey. Foul 11.
Turn around.
11 on blue.
Foul. Ref says go time. Ball in!
We for sure can't let Laurent back in the league.
We both got right today. Is that it?
Damn, I forgot to start the clock. I thought we were going to get some help, man. I was going to get some good pictures and try and get that new website going, but...
We got tips.
Blue got tip.
Here we go. Here we go. Here's a complaint. Oh! You're right. You're right. You're right. It is blue. Red.
No, it's blue. It's blue.
Blue ball.
Blue ball.
Uh-oh.
Don't want him to get going.
Spider-Man. Got the house to myself again.
When are you gonna start doing the, or whoever does it, the league leader stuff?
You know, I like to do that stuff when I do have a job.
So you have something to do at work?
I have something to do at work. When I don't have a job, it's worse. It's like, fuck.
Feels like work, right?
Yeah, exactly. When I'm at work, I don't mind doing it. It's like,
I feel you. My old job, every Monday morning, I sit and watch our games. You guys got it uploaded. Sit on my couch in my office. That's when Matt was on my my buddy Matt. He was my assistant at work, so we sit and like break down the game, do stats. Huh? I don't talk to him anymore, man. He's such a worthless, lazy bastard. What? Me? That was be honest. I haven't talked to him probably well over 2 months.
yes. Oh, he was out. He got bumped, though. He got bumped.
Hand up, hand up, hand up.
Harry?
Back to him. Did you see the fire on the side of the road on 465? The entire road on 465 was on fire.
The road?
They're not the road, but the grass beside the road.
Where's this?
465.
And what?
They're by Castleton, 465.
Today?
Benford Boulevard.
Today?
Yeah.
When I came up.
Holy shit. Man, I knew I should have taken a picture. Yeah. It was like straight wildfire.
Oh. I probably threw a cigarette out.
All the way from that Benford exit, all the way to, practically all the way to the Castleton, Allisonville exit.
Holy shit.
On fire. Like a fire truck. Nothing?
Nothing. I left my house at 2:30 and got here about 3:15.
It was flames.
Probably just burned itself out. There's nothing left to burn.
Embarrassing. Embarrassing.
So how badly are we going to get beat by the Kazes then?
We gotta play slow. I think we match up better against them. We just got work to do. We were tired by the end.
We tried to trade him. He's injured.
He's Looks like broken.
So can we get a new player?
That was hard to compare. Like,
Huh?
that's hard to judge anything by that game.
I'm on reverse the trade. There's a baller, man.
I don't think we would have done any better.
No, I'm just messing around. I'm not reverse the
I
trade.
think we would have done any better with Harden there. And,
Nope. Damn, it dude's jittery.
Make it stop, y'all.
Ooh, the just came in.
they're looking
Fucking gross. Trade him to the Jets. Give him 2 more points. Give him 4 more points.
What?
That's what the scoreboard says.
So hungry.
You want some Gatorade packs? Some post-game or pre-game Gatorade packs?
Yeah, dude, I forgot to eat last night. That was bad. That's what did it.
How'd you get home?
I got it right.
Did you make a strip club at all? Your birthday, you didn't go to strip club.
I was in there for like 5 seconds. Not really a fan of
So what happened with the wreck, man? And were you in the Suburban or the other one?
Keep rolling.
Battery's about to die. Is this the battery?
There's the cop trying to put the thing back on.
Which car were you in?
This, the black one.
You got hit by the big Suburban with the hood scoop?
It's got an I Love Jesus license plate.
Tell me you weren't sitting right there and got hit.
No, I was parked there. Oh shit.
This is the worst stat job ever. Is this a good battery?
I think it'll make it.
Think it's gonna make it? Are you serious? Yeah, so you pushed him pretty heavily in the back.
Oh, yeah, you might have moved. You pushed it. Oh, you can't really see. There's the 3 bottle of Smirnoff Ices on top. There's a little bottle of Patron, and I can't remember what that was.
On your car?
No, on the Suburban.
They were driving? Like that?
Yeah, they pulled it.
Did they go to jail?
Yeah, there you go. There's a good shot of it. It looks like a bottle of Grey Goose.
Did they get arrested?
Yeah, they took off running.
That's awesome.
It was a 17-year-old. Yeah. And here's the bottle of Patron.
You shoved that guy. He was in front of you. How'd he push you if he's in front of you?
Did he make a bolt?
He made 1. They'll let you know real quick.
Oh shit, I gave it to the wrong team again.
wish we had a stat score on that guy. Whoops. Wrong one.
You got juice running out?
Yeah. This one good or no?
No, that one's not good.
Let's take like 40 pictures of him. Put them all on Facebook. Why? He hardly ever blows it.
That was a foul.
Yeah, that was a foul. Act like you're gonna foul him.
The Knicks matchup. Hey, y'all, box out, man.
Take a picture of that.
That was the Knicks matchup. Come on.
Really good picture of him calling out that play.
That's a good one. Nice.
All I see is a white arm and hand on that ball.
The hands on it. Yeah, the foul.
Yes. See that one down there on the week. That was number 11 too, wasn't it? Yep. That one down here on the week.
You can be the one to tell him that.
Paul. Number 11's got 4.
Keep it on him. Keep it on him. He did it, dude. You missed it. Every through the ball, I gotta get pushed.
There you go. Push that ball.
You know we got our game down to like 12 at one point in the second half?
Huh?
We got our game down to like 12 at one point in the second half. You are missing the ball all the way across the baseline.
Good call.
John.
I haven't. What are you doing?
I'm just looking at you.
You think about
Come on, push!
Gates has been limited in this game. Say MVP.
Open man, look for the open man.
Mercatio! Oh! The Greek.
There it goes. There it goes.
Why would you not let him shoot a fourth one?
Hey, Dio! Open man!
He's fucking shit, man.
I got him directly on camera.
Pull up, up.
Alright, hey.
You're not putting fouls up at all, man. Just adds up.
All the new stuff, we almost went out.
Team up!
J-Mo! Jameson!
Did you get video of it? Or take picture, whatever the fuck I'm
Can we
talking
take video instead?
Push it! E-check! There, double back!
Just had a couple extra ones there. We're getting ahead again.
Here, go back!
Do it. There. God. Face of the GTBA. Phil! Yes! You are the face of the GTBA.
Oh man, it focused on the people in the background. Did you hit that?
I don't know. They'll yell at you. We're sitting at 2 buttons instead of 1.
Hey, push the ball! Push it! There you go. Easy push.
This thing's recording over 9 minutes, man.
It stops at like 10. I said when it stopped, I don't think you missed much.
I just got to 9:45. I started.
John just lost it. Oh, he traveled.
These are gonna be retired after this game.
I better stop. Hey, Brett! Was that a foul? Who was that? Who was the foul on? Was there a foul? Hey, Brett! Who was that on? Press the ball!
David Wright saw it.
Wow, that's cool. Come on, move around, y'all. Get Tristan, look over here.
Tristan!
Move around, get open. I didn't start it. Foul? Get that John flop in there.
Yeah? You hearing that? Can't say anything, obviously.
You gotta get that ball pushing. Push it.
Yeah.
Hey, James. You gotta get that ball pushed.
Man, I'm tight. I'm gonna like this every game.
Tight. Hey, come on, push that ball.
Oh.
Push the ball. Hey.
Game.
You fouled out. You fouled out? No, I'm kidding.
For the write-up on the GTBA page.
No, he's not.
There you go.
I'll give him a good 10 seconds of video footage.
There you go.